Igbo Festival 2023, 10th of September. Ola poto na keije. Gafage. Okay, see Digwe Mafia. Okay, come with Colores, yeah? Okay, on your okay, so idea. Uncle Lawrence, you are welcome. Enjoy yourself, yeah? Madam, we greet you. God bless you. Yeah. Share, they won. Yeah, all I got. Don't do just. Yes. I do, baby. They will, madam. Yeah, hello, one again. Yeah. Hello, other man. No. Hello. How are you? Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Enjoy yourself. Hello, sir. Welcome. Welcome, madam. You're welcome. Hello, how are you? What's your name? Olivia who? Angela, well, welcome. They will. Yeah. Hello, welcome. They will. Hi, you're welcome. You enjoy yourself. Hello, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome as well. Hi. Okay, welcome. Yeah, Oru interview. I am interview now. Yeah, Orube. All blog. Or they are digging all better. One family. All we get a lot of fedioku. So Kailanya Baba na home anu na anu ọkụkọ, anu efi na anu ọkụkọ na nke a na-akpọkwa dog meat. That is amụ nkịta. Nke a bụ chicken. On a kusila. Wire. This is Igbo Festival 2023. My brother, well done, yeah? Well done. My brother, meat is never done. You don't carry spoon for hand. Well done. Welcome, stars, everybody. Welcome, brother. Welcome, madam. There we go.
I always make a joke. I'm one of my friends.
Hello, you're welcome. Thank you for coming. You're welcome. Hello, children. Thank you for coming as well. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Uncle Denku, the cracker. Do a cracker. None. Lol. Hello, you're welcome. Hello. Long time. How is your friend? She didn't come. Okay, my greetings to her. Hello, you're welcome. Yeah, what's your name? Paul. Yeah. You're welcome, Paul. Yep. Hello, how are you? You're welcome. Sorry? Okay. Video ya apụta na-emesị anụ. M ga-abịa ife a, m ga-etinye na ọkwere na platform. Ọ bụ onwe onye ma nọ na platform. Kwa m ga-etinye the link mmesịa video ya mee upload na YouTube. Then share na platform. Ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ onye ọ bụla ma nọ na platform. Gwa ya sị send ya link ya share gị. Nna, kekwana afa gị? Anita, you're welcome. Mama, Dewo.
Hello.
How are you?
Thank you very much.
You're
Hello.
welcome. Hi. Thank you.
Almost all the cars there is on bus. No problem.
Akuche and Lolo, you are welcome.
Thank you. Thank
You are welcome. You are welcome. And daughter, you are welcome. Hi, Agui. Hey, Kebaya, Odo Balo. Who boss? Otogo, Opa Tata. Odo Norma. You will see No. They wale. Yeah. You will close a big out of Calabata. Okay, so no, no, Bob, Lebel, yes, Rambara. No, one there. Oh, yellow. I'm only feeling inside. Mr. DJ, what's going on?
Yeah, I saw that.
Give us some sound.
Yes, now you be gonna see what
And that's on network. Or EE they use.
Hotspot, I can use.
And more they use EE, sure EE.
When you hotspot?
Come on here. Viewers, please hold on. Let me